Brady finds Edelman. And he's knocked down short of a first down. He gets 9. Start at the 18-yard line. Brady, good protection. Edelman. First down across the 30.
This guy is a great receiver, and you see the move that he's able to make.
8 scoreless first quarter in Super Bowl history between both teams. This one, Edelman, first down and more.
And so he gets off of him, and with time in the pocket, he signals to Edelman right here to take it up the field, knowing he's in man coverage.
Here's Edelman broken up, and the pass is no sign yet. Edelman comes down with a football, and they're saying it's a catch. Alford knocked it up into the air, and let's see who comes down with it. Oh, that's a catch.
Oh, my God.
That's incredible.
That's amazing concentration by Julian Edelman to be able to make a play on that.
Is challenging the ruling on the field of a completed pass. We'll review the play.
The ball was resting on the arm of Ricardo Allen, and Edelman able to re-grab it before he hits the ground. I checked with Mike Pereira in our booth. He thinks it's a catch, and the play's being challenged by Atlanta.
And it should have been an interception.
After review, the ruling on the field is confirmed. The receiver's hand is under the ball. The ball never hits the ground.
Brady down the gut, pass is caught.